So I'm going to show you guys what it's like to live a week in my life as a girl boss, content creator, entrepreneur. Get ready with me while I unbox some amazing pajamas, pack some orders, and celebrate my mom's birthday. Let's go. Good morning, you guys. We have a super busy, productive day ahead of us. I have a bunch of stuff to do for my store. I have to ship out some products, have to run some errands with my mom, and then I also have to plan out some upcoming content. So I'm kind of like down right now. It's about 9 a.m. I woke up at like 7, took a shower, and now I really gotta hurry up and get ready. Okay, so now I'm ready. Did a cute little quick makeup. Now I'm gonna package some orders because I have to ship them out today. There's about 4 orders that I have to fulfill, so we're gonna get that done, and then we're gonna go eat some breakfast. I think I'm gonna eat some toast for now because my stomach really isn't feeling the best. So yeah, let's go. These are some of the orders I have to fulfill. I don't know if you guys know my brand. I haven't really talked about it on YouTube. It's pretty gains. It's basically a weight gain brand. This is our weight gain powder for shakes. So it's high in calories, so you can add this to your shakes. Last night I prepped some of the boxes. So this is the tape that goes on the box. Each order comes with a free 5-day meal plan. And then we have this little card here with a starter recipe for the shake. Two different sizes. This is the smaller 9-ounce one, and then this is the 16-ounce one. The difference in sizing right here. Here's my outfit of the day. Oh my gosh, please excuse the mess in my room. I am in a rush. It's time to go ship these products out.
Ryan Little.
Okay, you guys, so I am getting ready to go spend the weekend at my boyfriend's house. So I'm going to show you guys some of the amazing pajamas and loungewear that I am packing to go to his house. Okay, so this is the first pajama piece that I am packing with me. So I really love this. This is a super soft satin material, and as you guys can see, like, it's super stretchy, so it's comfortable, it's lightweight, it doesn't feel scratchy like other satin materials feel. Like, this is literally like buttery smooth. I love the color. I think the color is absolutely stunning, and I just tied it a little bit in the back because I like to have a little cropped action going on. And then my favorite part is actually how it goes up here. Super flattering, and I am obsessed with this. So next up, we have this little slip dress right here. Guys, I'm obsessed with this shade. It's giving me Skims vibes, 80s vibes. The color is like this beautiful sea mint green. It's just like absolutely stunning, and it looks beautiful on the skin. And again, you guys, this material, this fabric is so soft and breathable. It's like the softest thing that I've ever felt in my life. It has adjustable straps, so you can fix it. So next up, we have a black version of the one that I just showed you. This one is a tiny bit different. This one doesn't have the crisscross in the back, but it's just stunning. The fabric is exactly the same. It's like buttery smooth. Like the bottom, it has like this beautiful lettuce trim. This next one is definitely more casual than the others. It's this really soft cottony material. It is super stretchy and breathable, and I love the color. Like, this purple color is absolutely stunning, and it's like a waffle knit knit, if you guys can see. Fabric is like this waffle knit fabric. It's just so soft and so stretchy. I really do love this one as well. And then the last 2 pieces that I'm packing is this little set right here. So what I love about these sets is that you can obviously wear them like this, but if you want to show a little more skin, you can just tie it and it adds a little more sexy vibes to it. But you guys know I love leopard and cheetah print. I'm obsessed with this. So this is what the top looks like. It's adjustable straps. It's super soft with lace detailing here. And then this is what the shorts look like. So they're pretty decent length for when you're sleeping. And then this is what the back of it looks like. It's just super soft and stretchy. Okay, and then my last item is like one of my favorite things ever. So I got this robe. You guys, this robe is so freaking soft. This is how long it is. And it's like quarter length sleeves. You guys, I feel like $1,000,000 with this robe. Let me tie this up so you guys can see the robe. This robe, it just gives me like rich housewife, like it is absolutely stunning. So these are all of the pajama pieces that I'm going to be taking to my boyfriend's house. I'm going to have them linked down below. Be sure to check it out. So we're getting ready to go to my mom's birthday. I need to pick up my mom's birthday cake. I just ordered it yesterday, so it should be ready by today. It's not really gonna be a party. It's gonna be just like a little get together. Me, my mom, my sister, my niece. So it should be a fun time. Let's see how the birthday cake came out. This is my outfit for now until I get home. Then I'm gonna change into a dress. Take some pictures of my mom. This is old, like from like 3 years ago. Dolls Kill. I don't shop there anymore. This is from Aerie, the viral TikTok leggings. This bag is from Shein. Happy birthday.
¿Cuál es la canción que mami canta? Estas son las mañanitas que he cantado. I don't know the rest.
Good job, Lila. Good job.
Well, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check the links down below for the sleepwear that I tried on today. And I'll see you guys in my next one.